I know I literally just said I won't be uploading again, but I'm in a really good mood. And that really doesn't come a lot, so I'll just create another video. Why not? Lord bless you all for I think 12 new viewers on my video of Hetalia. I love Hetalia. Hetalia is literally my life. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys for watching that. And the 2 people who have already watched my other video all about me. I don't really know what else to say except please check out my other channel. It's for a bunch of other games that you guys probably don't know, but it's still good anyway. The stuff isn't really good, but I try. I really do try. I don't know what else to do. Lord help me, because my life is freaking lie. Okay, so thank you for watching this so far. Thanks for the support. Oh yeah, and I did update Nathaniel, because I love the character. Not the person, I love the character. Yeah, okay, things just got awkward. Whoa there, like, whoa honey. I'm pretty sure I do not like the kid. Okay, that's not the point. Yeah, okay, no. I don't really know what else to say other than I could change his stuff. Let me see if I can do that, because right now at this point I don't like this. However, it's the only thing that suits him, so let's just keep it. Whatever. Oh, and he has yet to tell me where he got the scarf, but hey, no one listens to me anymore, so it's okay. Ooh. Ooh, hell no. The hell is this? But, okay, so now we're apparently in, like, I don't know. I mean, like, looking over there, it says food stand or Caramel Apples. I do not speak Asian. Just kidding. I'm Asian, but I do not speak Mandarin, Chinese, or anything like that. Okay, I'm gonna be racially inappropriate even though I'm Asian. Okay, I give up. But I do not read other languages other than Spanish, German. Well, I can only read it. I don't understand it unless if it's Italian when Germany / Deutsche / Ludwig tells Italy something. Other than that, I'm on my own and I don't understand it. So smash that like button in the face. Love this video or whatever it's called. Subscribe. Just do the whole thing. And then like you can be part of my squad. We need to come up with a squad name. Hey, Winter. Yeah? Do you know any squad names? Silence. Just the silence. I don't know. You guys can tell us in the comments. I mean, like, I might not read them, but... Oh, I came up with an idea. Hey, Nathaniel? Yeah? I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I came up with a name. You might not like it. Oh my god, I do not have fangs. I do not wear lipstick. Holy shit, is that blood? Excuse the language, this is not... Sometimes this cannot be a family-friendly channel. To all the younger viewers, I'm sorry. I honestly don't mean it, but forgive me. Okay, so anyway, I'm probably going to call this if you are part of our notification squad, we're not going to call it notification squad. We are going to call it something bigger and better and awesomer and cooler. What am I doing? Star Trek? No, it's dead. I am probably going to call it just the Sister Squad. I mean, like, I'm pretty sure someone else has already done this, but I don't know anymore. And I don't know why I had to make these videos so long. And I don't know why this stupid recorder has to make my voice sound so freaking constipated. Help me. I don't get it anymore. And I think I might be able to... Oh my god, no. No. Ooh. We're twins. I hate you. I know, we're twins. Okay, we're not twins. But, I mean, like, I can add all sorts of shit on here that I really should stop saying shit because... Well, there's younger viewers. Yes, I love cats. Cats. Sheep, what the heck? I mean, like, sheep are okay, but I really prefer other things. So, yeah, we're just gonna call this the Sister Squad Notification Squad. The SSNS. SSNS, guys. Join the SSNS. Because that's what we do here. We make things even worse than it has to be. Because we're socially awkward. And, okay, I'm going to stop. What the heck is that? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What is going on? Stop! Like, honestly, oh my god, no, I don't want this to open, no, I just need to stop. I need to calm down. I also need a life. Help me. Send help. I'm also part psychopath. Just kidding, I just really don't like people. And now this is spiraling out of control and I don't know what else to say, then bye, I guess. I mean, like, I have to do homework because I forgot to do it. Ha ha ha. I'm such a great person. This is definitely family friendly. No, it's not. It's not. Honey, no. Are you done yet, Nathaniel? Because I'd really like to end the video now. I really would really enjoy it if you guys subscribe. I mean, like, if you don't, then I will find you and I will steal your food because all my friends know I'm a food thief. And, I like cake. Oh my god, I'm not Urza Scarlet. I don't have Urza Scarlet's strawberry shortcake thing. I don't have that issue. Shit, if she's watching this. Oh god, I'm dead. What am I sprouting? What the heck? Alright, I'm really getting confused now. I'm just really getting confused. Okay, so I just really like food. If you want to get on my good side, literally just call me up. Give me food. Do not play Pokemon Go or else I will literally end your life there. Just give me food. It doesn't have to be healthy. It could be candy. I will love you if it's candy. Candy is amazing. Oh, no, not a pitchfork. No, honey, no. 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 Halloween is coming up, so I need to come up with a costume idea. I was thinking about being something else. I really need to get back into the tea, so I'm going to end the video here.